November 26th, Zone 5. And these poppies here have not wilted or turned brown or anything. It still looks like they even feel like they could grow some berries underneath this wheelbarrow here. They're just like the poppies out front. They're nice green growth, not affected at all by the cold. This is the first snow of the year, just a couple days right after Thanksgiving. This is a especially important time to feed the birds. Poppies here have not wilted or turned brown or anything. It still looks like they even feel like they could grow some. I think it's pretty interesting. And this is next year's growth we're seeing. They die to the ground after they bloom. Then the next year's growth comes up and goes a little bit throughout the year. You can see here on the ground all the squirrels been digging, and look at all the bird tracks. How come their feet don't get cold? Strawberries underneath this wheelbarrow here. They're just like the poppies out front. They're nice green growth, not affected at all by the cold. I didn't cover these because it looked like they were still growing. Birds love brush piles, so if you can put a brush pile out for birds, they'll appreciate it. Almost forgot, if you look at this bird feeder, it looks like it might be clogged up. I just stick anything in there like a scratch hole or any pointing object. Sometimes they do get clogged up. And now I'm just scraping out the ones in the tray that might get stuck in there. Sometimes when they get wet. You have to do that. You can see that allows them to flow out. And the squirrels will be below the ground. You get, in the winter time, you get a lot of mourning doves. And they only eat on the ground. They won't go up in a bird feeder.